Today you join me taking off the bumper again because this headlight indicator doesn't work. So I've undone 1, 2, 3, 4, removed the bolt securing that, because behind here you're not going to be able to see it, but behind there is up to 3 bolts. Same with the other side. I've already undone those bolts, so that's good, but that headlight's fine. As you can also see, this headlight, here we go, look, hopefully that's going to catch it, that bit there has snapped off, and you can see I've got something inside the headlight, plus we've got lots and lots of damage, simply because the previous owner thought it was a great idea to put xenon headlights in this vehicle. Unfortunately, doesn't work. So I'm now going to undo the bolts from in here, which I don't think we can get to see, can we? Let's have a look. Yeah, up there. In there is 2 bolts, and there's another bolt up there that we need to do. So join me again once we've got the bolts off. Right, that's those 2 bolts out. Now we've got a bolt up there that I need to get out. That's got to come out as well. So again, let's get that. And there we are. Bumper is all off. Now I can understand some of you are going, why don't you just change the light bulb? Why don't you just change the light bulb? I have. I've tried that. Unfortunately, it didn't work. So there's the spare headlight, which is going to go in. So there we go. Join me in a moment. Now to undo the headlamp, we have more bolts. We have a bolt in there. Try and turn the light on, shall we? Good idea. We have a bolt there, and as you can see, a bolt down there, and a bolt there. Normally, we'd have a bolt there. Unfortunately, previous owner, bit of an hug, broke it. Now to undo, there we go, headlamp out. We have a bolt there, more bolts, a bolt there, we have one there, and one there, and one there to undo. This one is on a stud, so the chances are that's going to be snapped. And as you can see, a bolt down there, and a bolt there. Got to unplug the back. Normally, we would have a bolt there. Now another reason, unfortunately, I am changing the headlight. The previous owner, bit of an hug, broke it. Put you down a second. I don't know if you can see. Where is it? All along here. Let's go in a bit closer. All along there. All the way up. All the way along. It's all cracked. The whole headlight has cracked. Now, whether that's a sign of running, and you can also see down here, where is it? Where's my finger? Down here, there is a great big hole, and if I remove this, see, look, I can actually get my finger inside of the headlight unit, which obviously I shouldn't be able to do. But again, you can see that's all been smashed out. That's just great. Could it be a sign of running xenon headlights in a light unit that you shouldn't? I don't know. Back in a minute. Welcome back. Sorry about that. I don't know if you can see in the beginning you may remember indicator saying
that's
about
why
some
we're
bolts
sorting
and the replacement
one all along here,
but the headlight is now in.
going a bit closer, all along there,
And obviously
one
look,
there,
no crack,
all the way up,
obviously you have to come in all the
all
bolt
the way along,
connectors are in,
so you can't
it's all
do
cracked.
anything about it.
So don't, the whole headlight,
A little bit
everything
frustrating.
is cracked. Just needs a good
now
clean now, but it's
flying
brilliant.
out. Whether that
It was bought off eBay,
headlight's
£28.
a sign of
Excellent service.
running,
Put the bumper back on.
very impressive.
And you can also see down
I won't
here,
name them,
going to
but
clean it.
I'm very impressed.
As you can see, it's still
So
here.
the-
Join me in a few moments once I've got the headlight all bolted in, and then the bumper back on, and then we'll go to the cleaning.
This
lens.
See, look, I can actually get my finger inside of the headlight unit, which obviously
The lens is the one I took off. And there we go, you can see the headlights all working as they should. Indicators flashing nicely. Very, very happy with that job. It's now just time to bolt everything back up. There we go, you join me back. Headlight on, headlight cleaner than it was. Looks like it's had some form of glue down here at the bottom. Looks like there's been some sort of glue, maybe a protector, I don't know, some sort of protection on it. But that's better than it was. Obviously, it's still work to do on it on the lower portion. Let me go and turn it. As you can see, down the bottom here, there's some sort of glue on it. There's also some there. And a bit there. Obviously, it's just going to take time to clear it. See, that's better, you can see it better now. But there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this, watching me replace a headlight on a Freelander 1 automatic TD4 2006. Plonk some comments in the comment box at the bottom. Try to be nice. Nobody wants a sourpuss. And speak to you soon. Bye bye. There we go. And this is the product we're using. Let's see if we can zoom into that a bit better. We zoom in. Come on, focus. Focus. Well, it's turtle wax headlight cleaner. I've tried toothpaste, sandpaper. Nothing really works. So, until the next instalment of me rebuilding my Landrover Freelander 1 from a wheelchair, which is very, very unusual, I admit. Obviously, I have to have help sometimes. There was you'd have seen a previous episode where Andrew had to come out and give me a hand. Sometimes these things have to happen. But most of the time, I will do it on my own. You've seen today replacing of the bumper. If there's any companies out there that would like to send me anything, motoring, engineering wise, tools, car parts to test, radios, please do. Please get in touch. And I'm sure we can work something out. So, once again, like and subscribe. Put the comments in the box below. Even if they're just shut up, stop talking nonsense, we just want to see what you're doing, shut up, then that's fine. But so until the next time, goodbye. Okay, there we go. Bumper's back on. And I'm now going to clean it. So see, bumper's back on. Yes, I know it's a dreadful cut paint job. It was a green bumper originally, but it's now not. So join me when I clean the bumper.